Omegadoc OMG documents are precisely defined. To ensure this high level of precision, designer must have access to all fonts used in an OMG document at all times. This will also ensure that the OMG document will be displayed exactly the same way on any system. The OMG format is a proprietary format and is structured very much like EPUB 3. Both are based on the HTML5, CSS3 and SVG standards. In some areas, OMG captures a richer set of data than EPUB 3. Designer comes preloaded with a set of fonts available with the so-called editable license. So let's take a look at the fonts that came preloaded with Designer in this release. All the fonts are listed here. So for instance, for Times, we have Times New Roman, regular, bold, bold italic, and italic. And we have other fonts also here. This set of embedded fonts will be expanded in future releases. Now, to use an external font in a document, we have to load this external font into Designer when Designer is launched. Use it in the document, and then when the document is saved, this external font will be embedded in the OMG file. So let's take a look here at the Omegadoc main directory, which is under the default user directory. We've looked at this, the content of this directory in the past. We've seen that exports go here. OMG is the directory where, which is the default place where OMG files are stored. So now let's look at the fonts directory. It's empty right now. This is how we actually include a font in Designer. What we do is we copy the font, in this case Jokerman. We copy it here. At this time, only TrueType fonts are supported. They have the TTF extension. Now to read this file into Designer, we have to exit Designer and come back in again. Now if you notice that the same document opened again without us going and opening it explicitly, is because of this feature. Let's open the file dialog here. We have this check mark here, auto open recent file. These are the recent files here, from the most recent to the oldest file that we have worked on. In this case, the most recent is the 18 document. It just opened automatically. We also have a list of recent directories, but we've only worked inside Omegadoc OMG. So that explains the automatic opening of the file. Now let's see if Jokerman is included. Sure enough, it's here. Now how do we use it? We simply use it like any other font now. Let's work on this area here. So I'm going to go to the 2-page view and scroll down. And then let's pick this paragraph and change the font to Jokerman. Let's make the font size bigger. Let's pick 96. So there you go. Now when we save this document, this font will be embedded in the document. So let's go here and save it as Jokerman. Let's save as. Okay. Now let's exit Designer and delete this file so we know that this file will not be included again unless it's in the embedded inside the OMG file. Let's take a look here, and sure enough, it's here. This font now is part of this document. So this is how you embed an external font into an Omegadoc OMG file. This is the last video in this series. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Don't forget to post your questions and comments in the comment sections below. Hope to see you again. Thanks.